And yesterday we put the charts on here, different charts, and showed you how to take a chart and move it around, resize it, add the things, make all the changes over here in the chart editor. Today I'm going to show you something different. This is sorting data. When I look over here at my data on the side, on the left side here, you can see that it is not in alphabetical order because that's the way I found my dinosaurs. So we can sort these things so that they're in alphabetical order. Now my charts are set up the way it's sorted right now. And as I change this, it will change my charts automatically. So that's really cool to have that. So what I do is you want to make sure first off that you select all of your data, because if you just select a row or a column and you sort it, then it's going to sort those numbers, but everything else is going to stay the same. So then you're going to put the wrong data with the wrong dinosaurs. So you're going to mess up your whole chart. So we don't want to do that. So we want to select everything. So the easiest way to do that is click in the top left corner, that square, that selects everybody. So once that is all selected, then you can see that everything, I'll move this out of the way. Everything is selected. So now when I go up to my, and this is how we sort, when we go to data, because you've selected your data and sort, we've got some preset options under sort, the top ones. And once you learn how to sort, then you can use those. But for now, we're going to do sort range. So when I select sort range, it gives me some options in here. The first thing I'm looking at, data has a header row. If you have a header row up top here, that first row has our titles and our headers, and those are selected, then you want to make sure that you've selected data has a header row. That way, if I don't have that selected, then it says, okay, what column do you want to sort by? But because I have a header row, I want to select this. So now it gives me my headers that I have in that row to use for that. So I'm going to sort it by dinosaur. So dinosaur by dinosaur data is that column there. And I have A to Z selected, so it's going to be alphabetized. And I'm going to go ahead and hit sort. So that rearranges all my data so they're in alphabetical order. And notice on my charts, it rearranged those. Before, if I have that undo, you can see that they were in a different order. The charts were all kind of from smallest to highest kind of thing. And I'm going to redo that. And then when I sort them, alphabetize, now you can see the data is all over the place. But my dinosaurs are alphabetized. So when I look at my titles down at the bottom here, of the bottom of my chart, they're alphabetized on both of these charts, the blue ones. I can sort things by multiple columns as well. So this one is sorted just by alphabetized by those. Let's say I want to sort this by weight. Well, some of these have the same weights. So there's quite a few of them that are 30, and some of them are 3 or 4, and they're the same ones. So I can sort them by weight, and then I can add a second column. So again, I'm going to select all of them, and I'm going to do my data sort again, data sort range. And once it's sorted here, I can, or once it's selected, I can go make sure I have my data row turned on because my data has a header row. And I'm going to sort it by weight because that's the column I want to sort it by. And then if they're the same weight, now I'm going to add another sort column. So sort it by weight first, and then sort it by dinosaur. So now it's going to look at the weight column, sort them that way. And if they have the same ones, then it's going to go over and it's going to sort them by alphabet. So we've added 2 different columns. I'm going to sort them, and it sorted them by weight first. And then the ones that are the same here, we have 2 of them that are 4s. And then it did those alphabetized, O, then P. The ones that are 30s, those are all the same. And then it sorted those alphabetized afterwards. So I can sort those in a couple different ways. So you guys are going to do that there. I'm going to go ahead and